Buying and selling cryptocurrency with BitPay couldn't be simpler. To do a quick transaction, enter the amount in cryptocurrency or an amount for which you would like to purchase. To trade all your currency, click Buy All or Sell All. The exchange will calculate the end amount based on the best offers on the list. Keep in mind that this value is an approximation and the amount you receive can be different. The transaction will be executed the moment you click on Buy or Sell. If, however, you would like your transaction to follow a predetermined exchange rate, you need to place an offer. To place a cryptocurrency buy offer, enter into 2 of the 3 available fields your chosen amounts: exchange rate, value in cryptocurrency, and the amount for which you'd like to purchase it. The third field left unfilled will be calculated automatically. You can also select a ready offer from the list. Having clicked on Buy, your offer will be placed and added to the offers list, the order book. Placed offers are also to be found in the My Offers tab. If an offer at the same or better exchange rate than yours appears in the order book, your offer will be realized instantly and a taker fee will be charged. Remember, offers sharing the same exchange rate and placed by more than one user are realized in the order they were placed. However, if you wish for your offer to only be realized at your chosen exchange rate or not at all, check the Post Only field. This kind of offer charges a maker fee when realized. Selling cryptocurrency operates along the same lines.